that will take the mobility away. Makes sense? You go. Good. So today I'm going to work on pressure points. Pressure point techniques that will work on the street. You have to understand this. Pressure points. This is one. Very irritating, but very effective. Now fuck that. I use different kind of pressure point, right? Because, for example, if I take the pressure point of the throat, I could go from this to throat punch. How would you think he would react if I punch him on the throat? Will it have an effect, yes or no? You can do it. Another is when I kick the dick. Yes? So if you pressure point the dick, it will have an effect. Yes or no? You okay? So then it gives you this energy. So when he gives me that energy, you go forward, very uncomfortable. We have a different point we use in UC. That's the brainstem. So I will beat the brainstem. Makes sense? This could be a point. And when it goes low, listen, this is an incidental strike. It's a point. Get this in. Now you get. When you put the knee in, don't do this. Get the base in. Really, and get the base back. So you want to knee him so hard that if that's not a pad, and his testicles, that his legs are flying underneath him. It's an extreme thing to do. It should be a level 10 threat. It should be, there's threat disparity anyway. If somebody's bigger than me, then throat is most likely available, but yeah, it's an extreme thing to do, yes? So what I want to do is get this 2-knuckle boom on the soft part. Yeah, it's very difficult, but when I'm smaller, then it's maybe more available. I'm just telling you it's an option. If you want to do it from deception. What's wrong? How can I help you? Get it in. So in real life it would be something when he gives me a role play. That would be my starter for level 10. Yes? Very risky thing to do, but think about threat disparity. If I do this to a little girl, it's deadly. If I am a little girl, do it to me, it will probably has an effect, but probably not destroy me. Depends how much force you can generate. It's just an option, just a tool, yes. Now I will go as fast as I can. Point my knee into the nutsack to take the mobility away. Makes sense? Say he keeps on standing still right now. Boom! Then now at least it brings it head forward. So I could make a transition now to go to boom, hammer to the brainstem. You see, there's no delay for me in transition. Very good pad feed. So now use the point of smashing the fuck out of the brainstem. Make sense? Yeah. Point is, everything you hit hard enough is a pressure point. Good? That's how we use this, because real pressure points, first of all, I don't believe in it. Second of all, in the dynamics of real violence, it's very difficult to do if it's possible. I never saw it, I can never use it for real. So we're gonna work on pressure points today. Make sense?
Yes.
Awesome.